Now listen in to what the BJP said after its meeting got over. HR Anant Kumar now briefing the media about the action that has been taken against Ram Jethmalani.
You can procure that on your own. मित्रों, आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड की मीटिंग हुई। माननीय नितिन गडकरी जी ने अध्यक्षता की। पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी के अध्यक्ष अडवाणी जी और दोनों सदनों में विपक्ष के नेता सुषमा स्वराज जी और अरुण जेटली जी और बाकी पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के मेंबर्स मौजूद रहे और पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड ने जो कल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राज्यसभा के सदस्य श्री राम जेठमलानी को निलंबित करने का निर्णय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष ने लिया था, उसको उचित ठहराते हुए पुष्टि किया और आगे 6 साल के लिए निष्कासन करने के लिए उनको शोकास नोटिस जारी करने का निर्णय लिया। डियर फ्रेंड्स, टुडे भारतीय जनता पार्टी parliamentary board had a meeting under the presidency of Shri Nitin Gadkari. Our parliamentary party chairman Shri Advani ji and both the leaders of opposition in both the house of the parliament, Srimati Sushma Swaraj and Shri Arun Jaitley, and all other members participated. The parliamentary board confirmed the decision of the National President Shri Gadkari of immediately suspending Shri Ram Jethmalani from Bharatiya Janata Party for his indiscipline and anti-party activities. And Parliamentary Board also decided to give him a showcase notice asking why he should not be dismissed from the party, expelled from the party for 6 years. Today, party took decision on the anti-party activities and discipline of Shri Ram Jethmalani, and I have already briefed you on this. The party constitution says that the national president has the powers to immediately suspend a member and later refer it to the parliamentary board for ratifying that suspension and proceeding further. Therefore, according to the provisions of the constitution of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shri Nitin Gadkari immediately suspended Shri Ram Jethmalani from Bharatiya Janata Party and referred that decision to the parliamentary board. Today, parliamentary board, after deliberating, thought that it is a right decision and confirmed that decision. Not only that, it has also decided to send a showcase notice to Shri Ram Jethmalani why he should not be expelled from the party for 6 years for anti-party activities and indiscipline.
When you discuss the issue of the so-called anti-party activities of Mr. Jethmalani, did the leaders not take into consideration the recent statements that have come from Mr. Jethmalani and Yashwant Kumar? Was that not raised?
Dear friends, today the party deliberated, the parliamentary board deliberated on the issue of the indiscipline and anti-party activities of Shri Ram Jethmalani, and the meeting was called only to confirm the decision of the national president of suspending Shri Ram Jethmalani and proceeding further. That decision has been taken and that I have briefed already.
सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, जसवंत सिंह के मामले में पार्टी ने इमीडिएट शिमला के अंदर डिसीजन लिया था कि उनको 6 साल के लिए सस्पेंड किया था पार्टी ने, लेकिन यहाँ पर सुपर नोटिस दिया जसवंत सिंह जी को, तो सुपर नोटिस भी नहीं दिया था पार्टी ने।
Today, whatever decision we have taken, I have briefed you. Thank you, friends.